making video, and these toys, and that candy. This candy is from Tita Lavelle. Thank you, Tita Lavelle, so much. We're gonna open these. Fiddy's open na.
Okay, you can have one for these.
We're gonna open these.
These are hairdos.
These are hairdos. LL.
No, they're not.
There's
Okay,
our
it's
hairdos.
It has fruity scent.
It has
Fruity scent.
fruity scent, and let's open it up. Right, Mom?
Okay, you can actually have this one here.
Ooh.
Put it down. You too.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
You're welcome, babies. Okay, pull this one to this way.
So awesome. This is so ace. I'll open it yours, and I'll open it mine. And we're going to open it together. I'll just say it together.
I think you gotta remove everything for this one. All of it.
Oh, I forgot. Yes, Mommy is helping.
Okay, now, oh, you will turn it like that. Ta-da!
What did you get? Oh,
Oh, show them.
so
Show them.
adorable. I
It's,
wish I don't feel like that.
unicorn.
Oh, I got it.
She got the unicorn. Later, you open this one first. Oh, you can. Oh, it smells so good. Smell it. It smells so good.
So flowery. Let's turn it up.
Okay,
So
there
Mommy
you
just
go.
turned it, so I will turn it.
It
Whoa, so beautiful scent. Yeah, smell it. So beautiful. Hey, this is mine. Here's your personal. Mommy, you twist it.
Yeah, you can. You show them yours.
This is mine, so you have to twist this so you can open. So
And you can just
should I
so
put
you
it
can
out?
style her hair.
Can I?
Yeah, you remove the plastic.
I don't wanna break it. So it's okay. So
Yours
this
is like a
red,
troll.
and this is rubber. So this is
Wait,
You can break the toilet. It is.
she got this.
Ooh, unicorn. Unicorn. Finish. No, not like that. You have to remove.
You want to open this one? She'll open this one out, okay?
Look. What did I get? Sino to? Wow. Oh, she's so cute. Guys, look.
You can take, yeah, you can take her out, and there's a stand that you can put so that you can
So that's the
turn
stand.
like that.
I want to put it on top of her.
Okay.
Or it's okay.
You want to open everything?
Her head
I hope
turns.
this one is different too.
I hope so.
Okay, there we got. Oh, turn it.
I can't stand them pala, guys.
Wow, yeah, it's different.
What is it? It is a...
Now you can stir
Mama, what
their
is
hair.
mine? Hey, that's my hair.
Her hair is like a troll.
My hair looks like a flation. My hair looks like a porcupine.
Headband. Where did you get it? It's really there?
Yeah. Accessories. Look, it makes her hair lower. I brushed her hair like my hair. So guys, look at this. Her hair her go lower. Now she's so beautiful and hairy and beautiful.
Super cute.
Today,
Now you can open the lost kittens.
these are the lost kittens. You remember the last time I lost? Now I lost
Let's open this
my
one.
first one.
Okay.
But that's okay. We got so many lost kittens. So this is mine. I can do it. And whoa! I have white this time.
How did you do that, Ate?
I just like pointed this.
Okay. Just pull it apart like that.
You teach me last time. This time my Play-Doh is white. What's your color of Play-Doh? I want to see your color. It's brown?
Oh yeah, it's brown. Show them. And it has a print on top. Wait, I'll open it for you, okay? What's the print on yours, Leon? There's a mark. Look at it. There.
Oh yeah, it
It's
says Spyro.
cute. What's yours? The same?
Yeah. But not the same color as
May I
yours.
see?
It's color
Oh,
white.
let me help you.
Hi.
Ah, but the same print, right? Okay, let's show them.
The same.
Oh, yours is brown. Say brown.
Let's open it up. It's so sticky, wicky. You have to use your hands, please. It's very
She doesn't want to. Oh. Wait, Feliz. I'll get you a knife.
Give me a knife too, you know. Mommy's getting a knife while I'm waiting. I'm gonna like press it so it will come out.
Alright, one first. Wait, I'm gonna look for another one. Wait, Feliz,
Yay!
ready?
This is for me. I'm taking up one share.
There you go.
Oh,
Okay. You want to get it?
take.
Let me help you, okay?
One, two, three, and two things together. What is this? It's a treasure.
Let's
Just
see
kidding.
what
It's a cat. Look, a cat. I don't know what kind of cat this is. I'm gonna try to take it out. It's a blind bag? Who will put a blind bag?
There you go, Feliz. Ray. A calculator. A calculator.
I got blind bags.
Bananas. What else? What's in
I
your
have
blind
nothing
bag?
already. I keep on searching, but I only found a blind.
She said yeah.
I only found a blind bag.
All right, we can open that.
Oh, I found something in the bottom. Hurry,
There,
pick it
there,
up.
Feliz.
I found something in the bottom.
This
What is this thing? Yeah, it's sticking to the. What is this? What? What is this? A bar? Excuse me, that's a bar. I don't know if my cat is strong. I don't know what it's.
Can I open this? Do you want me to open this for you?
Yeah.
Rian?
This. Oh, a gun? Water gun?
She got a cat. A very fat cat. Later.
A grumpy one.
Is it a grumpy one? Feliz got a sleeping one. But it's not really sleeping. A lazy one. Later, wait lang.
Oh, that's mine.
And sticker?
This is mine.
Okay, and a
I mean,
sticker.
is this mine?
No, Feliz's.
Is this mine?
Yeah.
Why does it have a mark? Why does it have a bar? Cats don't play with bars.
Is it? Yeah.
Well, let's open the next blind bag, I guess.
Okay. Here's your sister.
Hey, that's mine. I don't need to use your
Okay,
scissors. I got.
you can just
Right. See? I got muscles.
You want me to clean it up? so you can play with it.
Yeah, I'm breaking it. I'm breaking it. What? The same thing?
Brown too, but maybe it has a different cat inside.
I hope it doesn't have the same. I hope you didn't pick the same.
Oh, I didn't know what's inside.
Well, I guess we find out what it is. Today's is so cute. This one we share, and the others we share. Too. Ah! You're digging again.
Go ahead, open it up.
Oh yeah. It has the same markings but broken marks.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. What is this? A calculator. Beep beep beep. A banana. Here you go. Eat the banana. Now let's see. Let's remove the white. The white Play-Doh on my knife. So the colors won't mix. Are you having fun, girl? Yeah. There's your calculator.
You
Okay.
can open this one and check it out. Ate, open the last one. Check it out.
I see nothing but more blind bags.
Then let's see what's inside the blind bag.
Oh! Hey! I'll mix up all my Play-Doh.
Don't do it.
Don't eat it. It's poison.
Let me help you.
Yeah, it's too hard. Yeah.
Don't mix it with the white one.
Except for the white. Whoa. Yeah.
Oh, it's there. There.
More plastic.
Chair.
Yeah.
It's a different one. This one is so thin.
I like that one. It's
What
very
else is inside?
thin.
What else?
I don't know. I have no
Okay,
idea.
let me go check it out.
There's something on the bottom. Give me that knife.
Okay.
It has.
Say bye-bye, Felice.
Bye-bye. It has another banana?
Banana too? Oh, yeah. Do cats love bananas? Or do they put bananas?
Me. Nana. And the last one.
Yeah. Banana. This one also.
What is this thing? Yeah, it's spraying all over my face. What is this? A hat? Do cats wear hats? Bye. I hope you like my video. Bye. Bye. I got a hat. Hat ring hat. Bye. Bye-bye. Finish say bye-bye.